At one point in time, I had put a ton of pepper seeds, a ton of tomato seeds, mustard seeds, sunflower seeds, and other things like that out here in this area. Now I'm not seeing mustard seed or mustard plants. I'm not seeing tomato plants. I'm not seeing anything that I had planted out here. I think all the different birds that have been going through took out my all my seeds. But that's okay, I guess. I guess that was our way of blessing them. But I do see a bunch of weeds, a bunch of grass, there's some rocks. I've been collecting all the little rocks, putting them over a little pile. One reason is because I don't want them to be knocked around by the lawnmower. Because I will set the lawnmower down at its lowest setting after I knock everything down with the highest setting on the lawnmower. I'll mow this, right? And then I'll come back and sit it on the lowest setting of the lawnmower. And come back and do it all again. That way it's down really, really nice and clean. There are all kinds of crazy plants out here. I just don't know what they all are. I know they're not tomato plants, and I know they're not they're not anything that I've planted. Or the seed some seed I just pitched out here that was laying on the surface. Oh yeah, I had planted okra out here. For some reason, my okra grew just like 3 or 4 inches and quit. I'm guessing this soil up here just don't have in it what it really needs. Maybe I need to supplement it with something else. I'm not really sure what at this point. I need to go get my soil tested. It's just, see, there's a few more rocks. I did have a little pile of rocks out here. I don't know where they went. I'll run across them here in a little while. See, all kinds of little rocks like that. Here, I'll put them on the ant hill. No, I'm not going to do that. Well, anyway, I stuck some right here. Oh, there's a couple of them I'd already put there. Okay, good spot for now. Yeah, those chickens and little duckies were happy to get out of there. They love to get in there at night. They like their little place in the world. They love going in there at night and getting a good night's sleep with the security of the building. And oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna get busy. I'm gonna finish mowing all of this and this today. I'm just gonna knock it all down, mow it, make it nice and clean like the rest of it. And as I do it, I bag up on the bagger on the lawnmower everything that I mow, and I'll put it back here in that new garden spot that I'm trying to grow, or trying to build. It's not, well, the garden spot's growing, not the plants. But this garden spot will be for next year, basically. I doubt I'll get anything to grow in it this year. Every time I come out here, we got new leaves and new limbs off of the trees. I pick those up and I put those out here as well. But it's slowly coming on. And I'll just add to it every time I mow. I got stuff back here to mow as well. And of course you can see the boundary of it down here where I'm going to be doing all of this. So it's going to be a good size one. Ooh, yeah, it's going to be a good size little garden. And I was also making a path going all the way back there. We got another little garden back there. It's got some corn in it and a few other items. Okay, well, wish me luck in my gardens. Make sure to subscribe, make comments, all that good stuff.